Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you different things you can do with the liquid diamonds resin. I have these molds that I bought online. This one says live and this one says home, and I filled it with some little small seashells I got at Michael's Arts and Crafts. First thing you're going to want to do is put on some gloves and grab yourself one of these respirator masks. This is the liquid diamonds resin. It comes in two parts. You're going to use 2 parts of part A and 1 part of the part B, which is the hardener. I get one of these clear cups with the lines on it. I measure it out and mix it for approximately 4 minutes. For this mold, I decided to use just regular sprinkles like you'd make cookies with. And I just go ahead and fill it into the mold, try to get it in all the grooves. And then after it's all mixed, the resin, I'm just going to pour it into the mold very carefully, trying not to spill it until it's at the top. For this mold, I went ahead and mixed in some blue pigment, but tried to keep it transparent because I thought it would go good with the seashells, kind of like a beach theme. I'm going to very quickly hit it with a torch just to see if I could pop any bubbles. Usually you don't have to do this with the liquid diamonds, but I think because I put some contents in the mold, it created a few bubbles. After letting this dry overnight, I'm ready to take it out of the mold. It's a little bit tricky, a little bit of the pain, but eventually you can get it out. On this next mold, I took some dried flowers and put them in the mold, and I added a little bit of pink pigment to my resin to give it a tint. And for this last one, I'm adding some Pinata alcohol inks. I filled my mold with resin, and then I just take the bottles of inks and I just drip them in there. No particular pattern. And it really creates some cool effects. Thanks for watching.